Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 4. How are you kids? How was your Eid? Hope you enjoyed your Eid and collect a lot of Eid. But it's time to study. Now open your book, The Smart Mathematics for grade 4 textbook. Page number 20, chapter 3, subtraction. Build up. Question number 1, subtract the following numbers vertically. Remember one thing, when you arrange number vertically according to their place value, start subtract from the ones place. I have told you when we add or subtract the values, we will start from ones. Question number A is 2435 minus 1438. Remember one thing, when you will write it on your neat copies, write neat and clean and try to write one digit in a single box. You have the mathematics neat copy of blocks copy, so write a single digit in a single box. Now first of all, I have written here unit 10, 100 and 10,000 because the value is 2000 and 1000. Now I will write the value at the place of value, like 5 unit, 3 tens, 400, 2000. Now I have to subtract this value, so I will write 1 in the place of 1000, 4 in the place of 100, 3 in the place of tens and 8 in the place of unit. Now I will subtract it. When we are going to subtract or minus 8 from 5, so to solve this question, we have to get the carry from this 3 to have remaining. Now subtract 8 from 15. The answer is 7. Now we have 2 here. We can't subtract 3 from the 2. So we will get a carry from this 4. The answer will be 12 and here is 3. Subtract 3 from 12. The answer is 9. You can't subtract from 4 from this 3, so again we will get a carry from here. It will become 13 and 1 is remaining here. 13 minus 4, the answer is 9. 1 subtract 1, answer is 0. So there is no value of 0. If you want to remove it, so it's okay. If you want to write, so it's also okay. The answer is 997. Now you have the question number C. 20,954 minus 4,374. When you write it vertically, then we will write these values at the place value. So 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and unit. 20,954 and then see here the value is 4,374. So 4,000, it's mean we will write this 4 at the place of 1,000. 3 in the place of 100, 7 in the place of tens and 4 in the place of unit. Now you can see that this 2 was at the place of 10,000. So there is no number in the other value, so we will, the place is empty or we will write nothing here. Now we will subtract this value from this value. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 5 minus 7, it's mean we have to take the carry because 7 we can't subtract 7 from this 5. So we will give carry to the 8 and 8 is remaining here. 15 minus 7, the answer is 8. 8 minus 5, 3 is equal to 5. We have to subtract 3 from this 8. The answer is 5. Now here is 0 and here is 4. It's not mean you write the 4 because sometimes we become confused. If you have 0 here, it's mean you have to subtract 4 from 0. So it's not possible. So we will give 1 carry to the 0 and here is 1 remaining. Now you have to subtract 4 from this 10. When you will subtract it, the answer will be 6 and 1 remain like 1. So it will become 16,580. Now with the same process you have to solve all these questions on your NEET copy from part A to part H.